In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for email writing. Whether you're caught up in a busy workday or just looking for some assistance in crafting the perfect email, Claude AI can be a helpful tool in streamlining the process. Let's dive right in. Imagine a typical scenario. You need to send an update to a client about a change in the project timeline. This type of task can often be time-consuming, but with Claude AI, it's a breeze. To get started, you simply need to provide Claude with a clear instruction that outlines the essence of the email you're drafting. In this case, here's what you could say. Write an email to my client explaining that the project deadline has been moved to Friday. Keep it polite, professional, and concise. When giving instructions, clarity is key. Make sure to include all critical information with specific details to ensure Claude understands what you're asking for. In our example, we mentioned the new deadline is Friday, highlighted the need for professionalism, and requested a concise tone. These nuances help Claude craft an email that meets your needs efficiently. Once you've communicated your instructions, Claude will get to work. This AI tool processes your request swiftly and generates a draft you can review. It often composes messages that are well structured and in alignment with typical business communication standards, which can save you time and effort. However, it's vital to remember that this is a draft, and you should take a moment to review what Claude has generated. You might need to add specific details that only you can provide or tweak the wording to perfectly capture your voice. Editing is an essential part of the process when using any AI tool. While Claude AI does an impressive job of drafting emails, adding your personal touch can ensure the message resonates well with your client. Look out for nuances in the tone. Any additional information specific to your project or company, standards that need to be incorporated. This ensures that the final product accurately reflects your intentions and offers the highest level of professionalism. By using Claude AI, you can quickly generate emails, giving you more time to focus on other pressing tasks in your workload. It acts as a supportive extension of your productivity toolkit, helping you to maintain a smooth flow in your communication. And there you have it. Using Claude AI to write emails can significantly enhance your efficiency and maintain the quality of your correspondence with clients. By giving clear instructions and putting your final touch on the draft, you'll deliver polished emails that reflect your professionalism. So next time you're in a bind, remember, Claude AI is ready to assist, making your email writing process as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!